Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add control panel to Windows right-click menu using registry editor in Windows 7. Normally, we will open control panel from the start menu. To add control panel to right-click menu, open Run command by pressing Windows R keys on your keyboard and type regedit. In the registry editor, expand HK classes root, scroll down, select directory and expand directory, expand background, expand shell. Here we need to create a new key. Right click on shell, please select new key, name it as control panel. Come to desktop, right click, you will get control panel in the right click menu. Open that. This file does not have a program associated with it for performing this action. To direct this to control panel, come to registry editor, right click on control panel, select new key, please name it as command. In the right panel, double click on default. In the value data, we have to enter the path of control panel. We can find the path in two ways. Come to Windows Explorer, type control, enter. It will open the control panel. Close this. Again, click on Windows Explorer. You will get the path. Copy the path. Close the Explorer. In the value data, please paste the path. OK. Again, come to desktop, right click, please select control panel. We will get the control panel window. Close this. Again, come to registry editor. In the second method, double click on default. In the value data, please type run dll32.exe space shell 32.exe. Sorry, this is not exe. Please type dll comma control underscore run dll. Click on OK. Again, come to desktop, right click, please select control panel. We can access the control panel window. Like this, we can add control panel option to Windows right click menu using registry editor in Windows 7. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.